For me, nature's one of the neatest things on this planet. That's why me and Rodney started Nature Walk, so everyone can know how neat nature is, instead of just me and Rodney knowing it. Come on! Without a doubt, coming into nature is one of the neatest things there is to do. But you also have to be careful. That's why I always try to pack a gun, pack some heat, pack a gun. Now, this isn't much of a big boy, but I don't want to kill the animal. I just want to say, hey, I think you're pretty neat, but I respect your distance. How neat is that? Come on! How neat is that?
That's pretty neat. Oh wow, score! Look at this. This is a palm tree. You can tell it's a palm tree because of the way it is. Wow.
Wow! What a beaut! You know what would be a great capper to a great day? Is if we could see some sort of wild animal or something.
We get really excited hoping to see, you know, something like a Sasquatch or a Black Panther or some sort of mountain beast.
So what I like to do is, I like to shake up the earth a little bit, you know, get things moving, and call out to them, you know, just a little bit. Here we go. Here we go. Yip! Yip, yip, yip!
Yip, yip, yip! Screw-pop-pop-pop! Hey, lady!
Come here, girl. Nothing. Gee dang it. Well, I'm not giving up yet.
Ow! You gotta be careful sometimes when you're walking around in the woods. You might get some thorns stuck in your socks and your shoes, and they'll poke you. They'll poke you right in the skin. But, I mean, that's not too neat. I mean, it kind of hurts, but in the nature aspect of everything, I guess you gotta respect it. How neat is that?
That's pretty neat. And as you look around, there's different species of different things. And one thing I've definitely noticed is, oh my God, a bear! A bear! A bear! It's a bear, I think. It's a bear. Bear scare. Bears are neat, you know, but it can be scary too. If you see one, it's a possibility or chance that it'll come over and with its chompers and bite your head off.
Whew! What a beaut! What a day! Well, what a day for nature that is.
Can't always get this much neatness in one location. That's called nature.
Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand.
Let me slang it, girl. Smash it and bang. Let me slang it, girl. Smash it and bang. Let me slang it, girl. Smash it and bang. The way I work that kitty gonna make your heart sing. Let me slang it, girl.